go ahead and make some turkey and vegetable soup. Some of the leftovers from our last cook, the spatchcock turkey. Alright, so we got a big pot, and we got some of our leftover turkey going in, bone and all. So we got our turkey in there. We're going to add some water, about a half gallon of water, and then we're going to get this up to a boil and add some vegetables at that point. The vegetables are going to cook faster, so we want to get this hot and falling off the bone first. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of Jolly Roger Luton Booty. It's got a great flavor. It's got the salt in it and a little bit of garlic. 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to let this get up to a boil, and then we're going to add our vegetables. Alright, so we're up to a boil. We're going to add our potatoes first. Let those get in there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Soften them up. The other green veggies will cook way faster.